Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today via special request we're going to be making a Middle Eastern classic because today we're going to be making hummus. Now making hummus is very simple. The only wild card you're going to have is finding tahini or sesame paste. Now you can find that at a lot of stores, but if you can't find it, a good alternative, believe it or not, is unsweetened or low sugar peanut butter. Now I know I'm going to have the purists up in arms about that, but honestly, in a pinch, it does make a pretty good hummus. Alright, so who's ready to try out making their own hummus at home? I'll tell you what, after this recipe, you might never go back to buying it at the store ever again. It's so simple. Let's do it. And there it is, how to make simple hummus at home. See, not too complicated and honestly, just as good if not better than the store-bought. Now what's great about this dish is the level of customization. You can make like roasted pepper, you can make roasted garlic, you can do what I just did and made garlic olive. I mean, there's so many different combinations and, you know, honestly, you can't really go wrong as long as it works for you. So, you know, give it a whirl-z, it's a lot of fun. Alright, well that's all I have time for today. Thank you for stopping by, and if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for other episodes, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. And as always, if you enjoyed today's show, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week where I'm going to be making something super delicious. I'll see you then.